Hello, I'm Anindam Chatterjee, Chats, back again with another episode in my YouTube channel, Life, where Life stands for Life is for Education. If you like my channel, do subscribe to it and do share if you find it worthwhile. Now, I'd like to take you back to my days when I started my sales career. Now, that was in the year 1987. I was in Chennai, erstwhile Madras, and my first manager, branch manager Ashok, told me something very interesting. He had told me that whichever sales call you do, remember three things: that it should give you value for money, your effort, and your time. Money, effort, and your time should be justified. Now, today in 2020, I find this to be relevant and much more broader than only sales. In fact, in our day-to-day life, if we were to do a calculation, if we were to do a sort of a balance sheet, that if my day has been well spent, so I can say that if your money, effort, and time were justified today, in fact, I have added one more E, which is because every discussion, every meeting need not have money concept in it. So I have added this one E, so money, energy, effort, and time. So MEET. Believe me, I have started following this for many years and it has given me rich dividends. So every morning when I wake up, I tell myself that today I should make my meet, which is money, energy, effort, and time, worthwhile. And when I go to my bed, when I go to sleep at about 9:30, I say to myself, was my meet justified? Let me go into slightly more detail. When you meet someone, when you discuss one, when you spend your day, if you go back to your actions, which was your day, it could be doing a lot of things. It could be interacting with your family members, interacting with your guests. Now, of course, we are in a lockdown, so we are mostly at home, right? And we might be spending time on the telephone. We might be talking to people, talking to friends, talking to your customers, talking to anybody, right? Or we can be interacting with the family members. Now, when you look at these four things, MEET, money, energy, effort, and time, right? Believe me, it will give you a value to the time you're spending. So when you're spending time with your family, are we discussing something which is interesting, which is thought-provoking? Or are we discussing something which is a waste of time? Are we discussing something about somebody else? Are we trying to criticize someone? That doesn't make sense. So my request to all of you is, the way you spend your time, the way you spend your day, end of the day, ask yourself, was your meet justified? Was your money, energy, effort, and time which you spent throughout the day, was it justified? It may not be always money, but believe me, energy, effort, and time are always there. So was your discussion, was your time spent, was it worthwhile the energy you put in? Was it worthwhile the effort you're putting in? Was it worthwhile the time you gave to it? And of course, if there's a money element to it, was that justified to spend that money? And if you do this, it's like a balance sheet. You'll find that whatever you do, and you find your need justified, you'll be happy. But end of the day, if you find one part of the meat, it's like 4 tires in a car. You require all the 4 tires. So when you find that one of those MEET is not justified, then maybe it's a cause of concern. Maybe you need to look at yourself. Maybe you need to do an evaluation. So after every interaction, after every discussion, after every time you spend your day, maybe during the course of the day as well, ask yourself a couple of times, is my meat justified? Is my money, energy, effort and time justified? If those are justified, believe me, you are on the right track. But if your energy or your effort or your time or money is not justified, maybe you need to give it a thought. Maybe you need to stop that discussion, or maybe channelize the discussion to a better route, better road, or better subjects. So now that we are in the lockdown, I hope and wish and pray that all of you and your loved ones are safe and sound. Stay at home, stay safe, and like I said earlier, if you like my channel, do subscribe to it and do share if you find it worthwhile. Thank you so much. God bless.